Hello guys, this is Jason from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today is September 17 and we are here in Denver, Colorado. I'm gonna be doing is basically a light sanding because I have to be very aggressive with the screening because of the kind of shape that the floor is. I will show you in a few minutes. But I came here to this property of Mr. Simon last week, and immediately he booked in the spot to do this job today. This is a rental house that he has. He's right now doing some kind of remodeling in the house to rent it out again because he was in really bad shape. But anyway, guys, let me show you what I'm gonna be doing today. All right, guys, like I said, I'm here in Denver, Colorado. Beautiful day, sunny day. It's a big property what the Mr. Simon has here. But anyway, let me show you the kind of floor that we have here. Is a red oak. As you can see, since the entrance is in really bad shape, wearing out a lot all around. See, in the beginning, I offered the customer to do full sanding job because it's really in bad shape, and also the plant has some kind of separation, as you can see. But he didn't want to spend more money doing full sanding because it's a rental house. He just wants to make it look so much better. So because of that, I'm gonna be doing a very aggressive screen and recoat, light sanding, applying color corrections everywhere to make it look better. And he was agreed between 50-80% of improvement is more than enough for him. So yeah, this is the property. It's around 750 square feet, and is what I'm gonna be doing today. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back here to show you a little progress. I already screened the whole floor, vacuum and clean attack, and now I'm gonna start to applying the first coat. As you can see, it's so much wear here on the floor, but you will see after I apply the first coat. So I'm getting ready there. Look at this. But even though that I haven't done any kind of color correction, this floor is already clean and it's looking a little better, but of course it needs more work to do. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back here to show you the final result, and look at this. Amazing, amazing. Did you guys see the beginning of the video? That was the worst area in this living room. Look at this. Here, also in the hallway. Look at the room. Oh my goodness, such a big improvement what we got here in this house. Beautiful, bright, looks natural, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful. What do you think, Mr. Simon?
Very
Beautiful,
beautiful.
beautiful. Can you tell me what is your experience with JR Hardwood floor refinishing and cleaning?
Great company, good prices. I love the work. Huh?
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Simon. Did you hear that, guys? All right, customer happy is what we want to all the time. All right, guys, stay tuned and see you next time.